Right now, thousands of airplanes are flying across our planet, carrying millions of passengers safely to their destinations. At first glance, the sky seems crowded, yet every aircraft follows a carefully organized plan. It looks impossible. So why don't airplanes collide when their paths cross? The answer involves technology, teamwork, and multiple layers of protection working together every second. Modern aviation is supported by a global network that monitors aircraft from departure to arrival. Long before takeoff, every flight is carefully planned to reduce risk and improve efficiency. Each aircraft receives a planned route, cruising altitude, and instructions before leaving the ground. Pilots carefully review the route, weather, and aircraft systems before every departure. Busy airports may handle hundreds of flights every day, all moving in carefully controlled sequences.
Behind every safe flight is a team working around the clock to keep the skies organized and secure.
Flight 42.
Every safe flight begins with a detailed plan, created hours before the aircraft ever leaves the gate. Dispatchers study weather carefully to keep aircraft away from storms and turbulent skies.
The chosen route balances safety, weather, fuel efficiency, and air traffic conditions. Aircraft carry enough fuel for the journey, plus reserves for unexpected situations.
Before passengers board, the aircraft undergoes a thorough inspection from nose to tail.
Pilots load the planned route into the aircraft's navigation computers before departure. The flight cannot begin until air traffic control officially clears the aircraft to depart. Controllers guide every aircraft safely across the airport to its assigned runway. Even takeoffs are carefully spaced to maintain safe separation from the very beginning of the flight.
With careful planning complete, the journey begins under the watchful guidance of air traffic control.
Airplanes don't simply fly wherever they want. They follow invisible highways built into the sky. These invisible highways are connected by waypoints that guide aircraft across the world. The aircraft's computers constantly track its progress and guide it along the planned route. GPS satellites help pilots and onboard computers determine the aircraft's position with incredible accuracy. The flight management system continuously calculates the safest and most efficient route. Aircraft traveling along similar routes are separated by carefully assigned flight levels. Even aircraft flying toward each other remain safely separated by altitude assignments. Over oceans, aircraft follow organized tracks that change daily to match winds and traffic. Throughout the flight, the aircraft continuously reports its position to help maintain safe separation.
What looks like an open sky is actually one of the world's most carefully organized transportation networks.
Every busy airport has a control tower, where controllers guide aircraft safely, on the ground and in the air.
Flight 42.
Controllers monitor every aircraft movement,
Flight 42 cleared to land.
while coordinating departures, arrivals, and ground traffic. Radar gives controllers a live picture of where every aircraft is and where it's going. Before takeoff, ground controllers safely guide aircraft through busy airport taxiways. Controllers ensure the runway is completely clear before authorizing every takeoff.
After takeoff, responsibility shifts to departure controllers. They manage climbing aircraft.
As flights continue, En route controllers guide aircraft across large sections of airspace. The sky is divided into sectors, so each controller manages only a safe number of aircraft. As aircraft leave one sector, controllers smoothly hand them over to the next team. Thousands of controllers around the world work together every day to keep millions of passengers flying safely. Modern airliners constantly monitor their surroundings using powerful onboard computers and advanced sensors. The aircraft continuously broadcasts its position, altitude, speed, and direction.
Pilots can see nearby aircraft on cockpit displays long before they become visible outside.
The aircraft constantly calculates safe separation from surrounding traffic. As aircraft approach major cities, the sky becomes much busier, requiring even greater coordination.
If another aircraft gets too close, the onboard system immediately begins evaluating the situation.
The aircraft coordinate with each other to increase separation safely and efficiently. Once safe separation is restored, both aircraft continue their journeys normally. Aircraft also monitor dangerous weather, so pilots can safely avoid storms along the route. Modern airliners rely on multiple independent systems, creating several layers of protection throughout every flight. Advanced technology supports the crew, but trained pilots remain at the center of every safe flight. As aircraft approach major cities, the sky becomes much busier, requiring even greater coordination. Controllers organize arriving aircraft into a smooth, predictable sequence long before landing. Every aircraft maintains safe spacing to give pilots enough time to react if conditions change. When airports become busy, aircraft may enter holding patterns until it's their turn to land. Once space becomes available, controllers clear the aircraft to begin its final approach. Many large airports safely use parallel runways to handle more arrivals at the same time. Controllers also separate aircraft to reduce the effects of wake turbulence created by larger airplanes. Even after dark, advanced lighting systems help pilots identify the runway and maintain a stable approach. Modern navigation systems allow many landings to continue safely, even in poor visibility. Careful planning, precise timing, and constant communication keep even the busiest airports operating safely. Not every flight goes exactly as planned. Weather can change quickly, even during cruise. Controllers and pilots work together.
Flight 42, turn left heading 270. Copy, turning left heading 270.
If communication is interrupted, pilots follow established procedures while trying alternate radio frequencies.
Modern airliners include multiple backup systems designed to keep critical equipment operating safely. When an emergency is declared, that aircraft immediately receives the highest priority. Controllers quickly reorganize nearby traffic to provide the safest possible path. Emergency crews prepare in advance, so they are ready the moment the aircraft lands. Most emergencies end with a safe landing, thanks to preparation, training, and teamwork. Every unusual event is carefully studied, so the entire aviation industry can continue improving. Behind every successful flight are thousands of professionals working together to make aviation even safer. Every day, thousands of flights safely carry millions of people across the world. Modern aviation depends on many safety layers working together throughout every flight. Each safety layer merges into one. Technology provides powerful tools, but skilled professionals make the final decisions. As one part of the world sleeps, another begins a new day of safe flights. Throughout the journey, aircraft remain connected to a worldwide communication network. Even during landing, every movement follows carefully designed procedures and precise guidance. Behind every routine landing is an extraordinary system, working quietly in the background. Every safe flight connects families, cultures, businesses, and communities around the world. Although invisible passengers, an incredible network keeps aircraft safely separated every second. Every flight is supported by planning, technology, teamwork, and years of experience working together. Aviation continues to evolve, becoming even safer through constant innovation and new technology. Modern systems share information instantly, helping pilots and controllers make faster, better decisions. Future control centers will provide even greater awareness, while experienced controllers remain in charge. Future aircraft will process even more information to support safer and more efficient flights. As aviation grows, new aircraft will safely share the skies through careful coordination. From space, every flight becomes part of an incredible network, connecting people across the world. While passengers relax, thousands of professionals and advanced systems continue working behind the scenes. Every successful journey ends the same way it began, with teamwork, precision, and preparation. Another flight arrives safely, adding to millions of successful journeys completed every year. Every safe flight is the result of countless people, remarkable technology, and decades of innovation.